Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining for another episode at Investing with All I See is W. So, today I wanted to go through two tickers that will grow in the long term. So, let me go ahead and share those two tickers with you, okay? Ticker number one is VBI Vaccines with the ticker name of VBIV, as you can see here. So, the current share price is at $4, right? Now, if you look at the 5-day range, it's taken a toll from 560 here. Now let's go to the 1 month range. Let's look at the top resistance. It hovered at 650, so from 287 July 6 up through to 650 at a threefold rate. Now it's gone back down to $4. So since July, it's gone up by one fold only. So I feel like the current price is a good buying opportunity right now. Let's look at the 6 month. So here's a big downward dip here, and as you can see, this is normal. Whenever a curve tends to go up this high, it will regress downward. But the unique thing is, it will build onto its next step here. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's scroll down here, and let's see. According to the chart events, it's noting here bullish, and let's look at what the financial analysts are saying. Okay, so as you can see here, August, there's a lot more volume in terms of financial analysts recommending this ticker based on the trends. And as you can see here, of the 5 ratings in August so far, 3 is set to buy and 2 is set to strong buy. So there's a bigger bar here and a bigger bar here in the month of August compared to the last 3 months. And let's look at the rating here. It looks like it's a strong buy rating. Current price is at 4 with an average target of $8.25 and $11. And from what I know, VBI vaccine, they're working on a coronavirus vaccine that is currently in preclinical trials, and the name of that one is VBI 2901. And once that goes into phase 1 clinical trials, I foresee this company to skyrocket. Now the moneymaker is the Hepatitis B Sci-B vaccine, because that is approved in Israel for use. And what we know is there is actually a plant site for production in Israel, so most likely producing the Hep B vaccine. And one other vaccine that's looking very promising from this company is the VBI 1901, which is involved with eliminating or terminating the adverse brain cancers that's just dominating mankind right now. So hopefully, with the VBI 1901, that will cure another problem. All right, and financial analysts are just raving about this company right now based on Yahoo Finance. All right, so now I wanted to go over to ticker number 2, which is VXRT Vaxart. Okay, now I really like this share price currently right now at $9.39, right? Of course, we cannot time the market and think that it may go down to 6 or 7 or 8, but we can't time that. But I feel like the fact that it's in single digits, it's an easy capitalizing on this, because I foresee that this company likely can go up to a momentum run up to like a 2 or 3-fold plus, maybe even more. But the unique thing about VXRT is it's COVID-19 vaccine that is in the animal study supported by the Operation Warp Speed, so that's a good thing. Now, if or when the results show positive clinical benefits, then I'm sure the share price will experience a momentum run, and it really can run up to like 2 or 3-fold, as what I mentioned previously. Okay, now that's with the VXRT. Now let's look at the chart here. Okay, so we're looking at Friday's results. It actually went up to double digits, $10, and it dropped back down. But let's look at the 5-day. All right, so 5-day, there was a peak on July 28th at $12. So you see, from a short-term perspective, as a day trader, you can park your money here at $9.39 and anticipate a run up to like 13. Who knows? Now let's look at the 13. Let's look at the 1 month trend chart here. We're seeing $17 as a resistance, and now it's at 19. The fact that the resistance is set to 17, I feel like it can experience a momentum run soon. All right. right, so let's see. This is like a stair stepper here, right? You experience the higher highs and the higher lows right here. So this is the higher low right here compared to this low. Now I may foresee like accumulation here, or it may just start climbing upward. Okay, all right, now those are the two recommendations. Okay, and I also, like iBio, INO, for example. But okay, I hope those two tickers were helpful in terms of updates. Now please use this information as guidance only, and I hope that this video was valuable for you and it adds value to your own strategic thinking. Now, if you really enjoyed this video, I would appreciate you liking and subscribing to my channel. Alright, thank you for watching Investing with All I See is W.